Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pin your Microsoft Teams window on top of all open windows so it always stays visible on your desktop. This is very useful during meetings, multitasking, or when you don't want to miss any messages. Why use pin on top? Sometimes when you open other apps like Word, Chrome, or Excel, your Teams window goes behind them. By enabling pin window on top, Teams will stay above all other applications. Method 1. Using the menu. Here's how to do it. Open Microsoft Teams. Go to the top right corner. Click on the three dots, Settings, and More. From the drop-down menu, choose Pin Window on top. That's it. Now your Teams window will remain visible above other open windows. Method 2. Using keyboard shortcut. There's also a faster way. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and T on your keyboard. This will instantly pin the Teams window on top. Press the same shortcut again if you want to unpin it. That's how you can easily pin your Microsoft Teams window on top of all open windows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.